We went to this place for breakfast, and I was chasing the pigeons while my mama was ordering the food. The pigeons were so funny, they keep on waddling, and I said to my papa, waddle, waddle, waddle.
Why?
Just waddling. Then finally the order was done. We went inside to eat, and we drank tea. Oh, it's milk tea. I got fries, fruits, and waffles. I got apples and raisins for fruits.
Like milk tea or something?
Based on the look, maybe.
Based on the look?
My papa was eating croissant and ham and egg. There's no rice, but it's fine. We were eating a lot. I really liked the food. It was yummy. I kept eating and eating and eating. The waffles were yummy. And then we took a walk. And then we walked and walked for 13 minutes. 13 minutes is a long time. And we were walking and walking. Right past the guy who's hiding in sack. Wait, a guy hiding in sack?
Sa 7-Eleven nga kwan.
And we walked so long.
Duck and rooster. Look.
It's just 3 minutes more. We walked and walked. We wait for the green light again. And then we crossed.
Let's go.
Cross. Walk.
And aning a road.
And then we finally arrived.
Goes to...
It was so beautiful at first, but when you entered, it was so nice. And I had a pamphlet of a map. And we went to the information counter and we asked the lady where the places are. I couldn't understand her at first because she's Chinese, but she was very helpful. Thank you, lady. The one like this.
Yeah, okay. 好，这样子啊，520。First floor.
She gave us like
Okay.
好，好来，
tickets.
那个 exhibition hall first to third floor.
Okay.
5 p.m.
Thank you.
We walked to the entrance.
Nakuha to ninyo. Sabtan to ninyo guys. Basta kayo na sige sulat din ani nga first floor, fourth floor o 1 to third floor. Bye-bye.
And I just wandered around. And then I saw a wall with a lot of planets. It was very beautiful. And then we went to the first floor. And there was also a rover. I sat on it and I tried to drive it. Vroom, vroom.
Wow.
And then I checked my map. Hold the map. Can you hold the map, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Hala ka. What's that, Mama? Explain.
Then we saw airplanes from a long time ago and rockets. Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton. Sailboat. Stop it. Rock. Okay, sailboat. Ooh. Again. And then I met my new friend. And he taught me how to do this air propulsion project.
踩着不要动。
Oh, you push only.
你 push you 啊，
Yes, yes.
对，OK。
No move.
哦
Don't
，OK
move.
OK
Keep pushing.
OK，keep it。
Just pressing.
OK。
It was amazing. I love it.
Very good.
OK。
You think you don't do something. Boy does it, darling.
Look. Okay, look. Okay. Oh. 谢谢。
Oh, that's a droplet. It's space food. And then when you squeeze it,
Yeah.
it's gonna float.
What is this? This is toilet? Space toilet.
That's weird. Why do you have to go for the foot? For the foot. And then saw a tornado. I made a tornado. Wow. And it was so fast. Very fast. Dude, it's a steam train.
Nice.
Oh. I saw the core and inner core of Earth. And we saw planets.
Go guys, meteor.
They saw like constellations. And the floor kind of lights up like a piano. And we rode a spaceship.
地球轨道日有密度的云层跟
这是 Mox， 我讲错，这是才是 Mox。
这不是 mouse。
Here's our pilot.
Ready for takeoff?
Yes.
Take off。
1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let go!
Asteroid. Kita kayo yung asteroid in real life.
And we rode a spaceship again. Where are we turning? With our friend Buddy, our AI friend, he was on that screen. He was helping us and guiding us through the planets. The first planet we left was Earth.
Check the external
Hi.
internal cabin, life support system, ecosystem.
Let's go.
We are about to depart. Journey plan is to go to Mercury, Venus, and Mars. Looking for new planets. So our location is real time.
Oh my gosh. Ball test 5.
feel like we were in a museum anymore. I felt like we were in a base. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off!
So, this is going to be a great adventure.
What?
Ito,
Guys, it's cheater, guys.
60 pesos ro.
High back of the earth.
Na silang duwaw.
Millions of
What?
main competition.
Allah! No, it's so hot! So hot! Ah! Grabe. What?
Milky Way Galaxy.
No,
It's Mercury.
It's Mercury, ni?
The diameter of Mercury is 1/3 that of the
Wow.
Earth, as between day and night, which can reach 140
Uy, ate,
degrees
masakit.
Celsius and
Venus?
what can be as
Venus?
low as -170 degrees at
Natuloy
night.
ko
Carbon
tayo.
dioxide and its surface temperature
Yeah?
is as
Di,
high
ano,
as
skin?
400 degrees
No.
Celsius.
No, 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 no.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh no!
Pag mga wakwak. Pura gabi ng lagim.
Wow.
Oh no!
What's inside there?
Nako. They are collecting stuff from planet Earth. Kapag hindi lang boss, oh. Boss, oh.
What's it?
The boss alien.
Oh.
Hello.
Is that an alien?
Yes. Look. Kain ani.
Doesn't even show planets and Neptune, and doesn't even show the dwarf planets. And we were exploring through the nebula, and then we saw the Milky Way.
Nuclear reactions proceed steadily. Therefore,
100,000 light years from Earth.
I see my
We went back to our base.
Let us try to get out of here.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sulit na sulit. Safe
Sulit,
may
gibit,
makabalik
tagod sinta.
sa Safe may makabalik sa kwan.
Ulit na gimig Earth.
Do not open the cabin.
Oh, do not open the cabin.
I'm not opening it.
Our universe
Ito.
is coming to an end. I have enjoyed
Oh, it's here
It's an
na.
amazing journey,
before I
yet
see you next time.
fascinating.
See you next time.
Please leave the cabin.
Yay!
It is good.
Busy na ngayon siya.
And I met my friend again. He gave me chip. What a lovely weekend. And then we went to the Dome Theater to watch Doraemon. It looks like a dome, right? Actually, the movie's Chinese. Don't worry, we had headphones, and the headphones translated it to English. So now we can understand. And the intro was kind of fun. I think my parents loved the movie too. And then Snitch is just bragging. He's just bragging about Hawaii.
什么压箱宝？
没错，那是星空吗？那种东西在哪里看根本就没差嘛，对吧，大雄？
就是说，星空在哪里观赏不都一样，哪里有差？那大雄，你说你在什么地方看过满天星星？是在哪里？又是在什么时候看到满
And
天星星
then Snitch said, haven't you seen one? And Doraemon said, there are many types of constellations.
打火还要深哦，火星不管。
都是哆啦 A 梦害的，刚刚真的快吓死了。
就是说呀，拜托你可靠点啦。抱歉抱歉，我们也差不多该回去了。啊，我们再四处逛一下好不好？也是，机会难得嘛。
And we saw billions of stars, billions and hundreds and quadrillions. And then we went to the restaurant. My favorite things are there. Touch Cafe. I love Touch Cafe. Just one touch and that's it. I just miss it. I
What one?
love Touch Cafe.
How much is that? 7.5? Wait lang. 5. Pay in cash.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I like it. I like this. Remember I tasted it before? Yeah, it's yummy. I got my cappuccino. Just kidding. It's not cappuccino. Thank you. So yummy.
Me right now, beach right now, with a beach right now, feeling free. Heart right now,
very fun there, but we didn't explore very much because the line was too long. I didn't know yet, and I went inside without any clue. So I walked and walked without realizing that there is a long line. And then a cartwheel just to flex. And I tried the slide. The slide was very fun. Whee!
Ay, dagan lang.
There was a long line. We had to go back. And the next thing I knew, I was on a bus. I was trying to hang. What's the use of those hand railings if it's not gonna get hanged for?
Keep me in like a tide.
Went to a station, and that station was underground. We walked up the stairs, took the elevator, and then we were just waiting. Dun, 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 dun. Yay!
Pauli na ka, sir. Pauli na.
And see you later in Taichung!